Some of you know me already. My name is Monally Samson, and I am a registered nurse in the Philippines, and I am currently a registered practical nurse here in Canada. I'm married and with two handsome sons. I just gave birth last December, and I'm currently on mat leave, and I decided to do Atomy while on mat leave. I met Atomy through the nurse of my kids, and she introduced Atomy to me. I fell in love with Atomy because not just because of the products, but because of the company itself. Because I know that it won't only give me a bright future, but also a secured future for my family and my kids. So this afternoon's presentation is about the products and what makes Atomy products stand out from the rest. Sorry. So Atomy again is an online shopping mall, a wholesale distribution hub. We distribute premium quality products in the lowest price possible. So how can we order? Simple. Or you can be a member, and being a member has so much benefits. It allows you to order products in a wholesale price. No startup kit, no registration fee, no monthly obligations, no auto ship, and you have your access to your very own website, your own online shopping mall. So what are the products that offered? What are the products offered by Atomy? So Atomy offers a variety of Korean herbal skin, health, and home care products, starting from the health supplements, the skincare and cosmetics, dental, personal, and household. So these are the things that we really use every day, and these are not new to us. And only the brand is new to us. But for sure, you're gonna love the products. So is Atomy legit? Of course it is. It is 100% legit. Atomy is registered in the direct selling company association. And this 2019, Atomy, the Direct Selling News Global announced the ranking for 2019 based on 2018 revenues, the annual list of the top 100 revenue-generating direct selling companies in the world. And Atomy is in the top 20, considering that Atomy is only 10 years old. And the number one company is 59 years old, I think. So, with 1.5 revenue. So, that's how good the company is. So, who are behind the Atomy products? So, as what Ferdy discussed a while ago, Carrie plus the Colmar B&H are the manufacturers behind the products with 99 years or 100 years of experience in research and development. And Carrie is the second largest atomic energy institute in the world with 1,300 professors and 4,000 researchers. And Colmar B&H is the third company that manufactures cosmetics and pharmaceutical brands. You're familiar with the Chanel, the Lancome, Shiseido, and other 100 products is manufactured by the Colmar, and they also manufactured Atomy products. So for the quality assurance of Atomy, it is GMP sealed, meaning they have a system of ensuring that the products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. And then it is, if you don't like the products, they have the 100% guarantee, but they only have 0.19% return rate, which is the sign that Atomy is a good quality. And then it's certified organic. This means that the products are free of synthetic additives like pesticides, chemicals, fertilizers, dyes, and must not processed using genetically modified organism or the GMO. So the development of Atomy skincare, the wellness and the beauty products are created with the most biotechnology, most advanced biotechnology on the global market. So first one, we have the first herb extraction, meaning that they extract the products from the fresh herb, not the dried ones. So after harvesting for 24 hours, they extract the products. Second is we have the fermentation technology. They use these ingredients that are vital to the skin health. And next is we have the multiple encapsulation delivery technology. What's very interesting about that is our skin, our pores has a size of 100 to 120 nanometer particles. So the general cosmetic measured 200 to 300 nanoparticles. It's twice the size of our skin. So there's not enough absorption to our skin. But Atomy only has 30 to 50 nanometers particles in size. So the natural ingredients can penetrate to our skin until the 5th layer. So, and it has a time-release technology that it functions daily. So that's how good the Atomy product is. For the award, the Atomy, among the famous Korean cosmetic brands that we know, and I know some of you are already using that, our Atomy Essence is the winner of the Jangyang Seal Award. Just to give an overview of this award, the IR52 Jangyang Seal Award, this is a very prestigious award in Korea, and it is very recognized by the public. So if the brand is a winner of that, they usually increase the price. But let's check the price. Price-wise, the Atomy Essence is only $20, and for this skincare system that is included, the essence is included there. It only costs $105 compared to the other one. The second, this is a very popular brand in Korea, I think, and it costs $105 for the single bottle only. But the Atomy did not increase the price. So why are Atomy premium products not expensive? Number one, they don't use the advertisement. So what I learned is that when cosmetic company increase their price to 452%, when you use celebrities on advertisement, that's why their price is much higher. Atomy also use simple packaging. There's no distributor, wholesaler, and retailer. Everyone who is a member of the Atomy can access to the wholesale price. And then effective logistic management. Atomy cut down the cost of transportation at the lowest price. And the relationship with the manufacturers, I've learned last Sunday with Eric that the reason why Atomy has a low price, but with the highest quality, is that the relationship with their manufacturers, they already paid the raw materials to the company within 2 weeks. Usually, a company only pay half, but with Atomy, no, it's already paid the raw materials within 2 weeks. That's why manufacturers are willing to lower the price. So these are the Atomy products available. If you have the brochure, we have it there at the back. You can see we have the health, beauty, skincare, hair and body, hand care, oral care, home, Atomy food, and Atomy fashion. And every month, there are new products coming here in Canada. So this afternoon, I just want to give emphasis on Atomy health products because I know that health is very important to our family. So we have the Hemohem, we have the Alaska Omega-3, we have the Korean Red Ginseng, the probiotics, and the Spirulina. And I think in the future we will have more. So I just want to introduce the Hemohem. This is our best seller. This is our immune booster. So we know that our immune system is very, very important. And Himohem has been approved by the Korean Food and Drug Administration as the first health functional food for the immune system, for immune system improvement. What it targets is that our bone marrow production, and it increased production of red blood cells and hemoglobin for the oxygenation of our body. So what happens in our body is that when we have free radicals, these free radicals are exposure to too much protein, poor diet, exposure to radiation, stress, smoking, alcohol. These are the free radicals that we receive from the environment, and then it can lead to oxidative stress. And this oxidative stress can degenerate or declines our body. That's why we need to enhance our immune system. So our Hemohem targets the immune system to become stronger, and then it also activates the NK cells, or the natural killer cells that eats the cancer cells, and it also stimulates the stem cells. Stem cells therapy is very popular because it makes you look young and healthy, but I think in the Philippines, per session for the stem cell is 50,000 pesos. That's for $1,500 per set in Canada. But you don't need to do that. Hemohem can activate the stem cells. So Hemohem is 100% organic formula made from herbal ingredients. This is a $5 million project of the government for the Carey employees who are exposed to radiation. But truth is, after the project, they commercialized it to be used by the general public, because truth is, we are exposed to radiation every day. We have our cell phone, microwave, computers, and other stuff. So Hemohem is really good for every one of us. For those who needs energy, for those who feel fatigue, and for those who have health issues. So, Atomy Alaska E Omega 3 is one of my favorite products. So, Atomy Alaska E Omega 3, we know that Omega 3 is essential to our health, and this one helps reduce heart disease and stroke, and helps prevent anti-inflammatory diseases. What are anti-inflammatory diseases? These are the diseases that ends with DIS, in Latin means inflammation. So we have the arthritis, we have bronchiolitis, there's an inflammation of bronchioles, and then there's a lot more. And Alaska Omega 3, it is a high quality ingredients from the deep sea of Alaska. It's processed there, and it is a pollock fish. It is very convenient to take. So the normal, the Omega 3 in other stores, compared to it, the big one, it's really hard to swallow. But with Omega 3, it's very convenient to take. And it has turmeric, and turmeric, we know, has a lot of benefits. It is an anti-inflammatory. Vitamin E, as we know, is an antioxidant. And every antioxidant is an anti-aging that can slow down, that can make you look younger. And it has also a high percentage of DHA and EPA, 65% for brain development. So this is good when you want to become pregnant, you're pregnant, for kids as well. And bottle contains 180 capsules in a very affordable price. I think it's only $29. Yeah. So the Atomy Korean red ginseng, it is the same with Hemohem. It's a health functional food that may enhance immunity, support fatigue resistance, promote blood circulation, improve memory functions, and lower your blood glucose, and it's also antioxidants. But Hemohem is 17 times more effective than the Korean red ginseng. Korean red ginseng is good for men's health, for the increased libido, and for stuff like that. Yes. You and then Atomy probiotics. I love this product so much. Even my kids, because Atomy probiotics can balance your good bacteria in your body. So we all know that 80% of our immune system is found in our digestive health. So that means that every time there's an invasion of bacteria and infection, our gut is the first defense. So probiotics can help the balance of good bacteria. Its natural health products contains 13 billion probiotics. It also has 12 new developed types of mixed lactobacillus with different function mixed together, made to suit all gender and age. So if we have hormonal problems, we have acne, that's because of the imbalanced flora. And good for eczema, allergies, and anti-inflammatory as well. So to have a healthy body means to have a healthy digestive system. So I know that you already heard about the spirulina, right? So this is a superfood. And the space people, when they go to the space, the astronauts bring food, spirulina, because this is a nutrition powerhouse. It detoxifies your body of heavy metals, especially arsenic. The food that we eat has pesticides, the fruits, the vegetables, and when you have a lot of arsenic or heavy metals in your body, it will create diseases. So it protects your body against radiation poisoning. It helps fight cancer because of its detoxifying benefits, and it's a nutrition powerhouse and helps boost energy level. So there's a lot more products that you will love, but I just want to leave this quote to you. Be healthy. Health is the money. It's like the money. We never have a true idea of its value until we lost it. So thank you so much for listening. And before I want to invite Ron Percy here. He will give his testimony for the Hemohem.
Thank you very much. How's everybody doing? Good. A little bit about me. My wife went to one of these presentations back in February, and she came home with a toothbrush and toothpaste that she was given. And she came home and gave it to me. And I gave it back to her and laughed and said, not a chance. This is not for me. I use the same toothpaste that I've used since I was a kid. No problem. So I didn't worry about it. And I said, if you want to do Atomy, go ahead. It's up to you. Just want to support you. That week, I was at work. I work at the Ford plant in Oakville, and I got injured. I injured my knee. I twisted my knee, and my knee swelled up like huge, really bad. I went in the hospital. I couldn't walk afterwards. I had to go around with crutches. When I went to the hospital, they gave me naproxen. Does anybody know what naproxen is? It's an anti-inflammatory, pain meds. They gave me 10 pills. Take 2 a day. So after 5 days, no change. Nothing at all. But within that 5 days, my wife put in an order for Atomy. And she had Hemohem. And she came up to me and said, "Hon, you have to try this." I'm skeptical. I don't know. And she said, "Just try it for me." So, okay, I tried the Hemohem. I took 1 packet. And that night, I did notice a difference. Like when you have knee pain, when my knee was so swollen, I couldn't move it. So anytime at night when I tried to sleep, I would move, I would wake up. So I wasn't sleeping well either. So that night, I actually got a good night's sleep. Was it the Hemohem? I'm not a doctor, I don't know. So the next day, I took another one. And also, I didn't read the package. You're supposed to, the recommended dosage is 2 a day. I just took 1. So the next day, I took another one. I noticed the swelling was going down in my knee a little bit, and I had more movement. By the 3rd day, I didn't have to walk around with a cane of crutches. Again, I can't be 100% sure that it is the Hemohem, but in my mind, it is 100%. It's just, it worked for me. I don't know what other way to believe it. My knee, I do have knee problems, but it helps with the swelling. Got me back to where I am, and the way I look at it, if they can make a product like Hemohem, everything else must be good. You have to try it. Try it and you will believe. I know everybody got a hemohim today.
Yes.
Make sure you try it, please. Okay, thank you.